In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a connected workspace step by step using Notion, so all your tasks, notes, and projects live in one central dashboard. This setup is perfect if you want a clean system where everything is linked together and easy to navigate, whether you're working solo or managing a team. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, start by going to your main dashboard in Notion. This will act as the home base for your entire workspace. Think of this page as the control center, where you'll link everything together. If you don't already have a dashboard, you can create a new page and name it Dashboard. Keeping this page simple and organized is key, because you'll be coming back here often. Next, create a clear title at the top of your dashboard. This could be something like Personal Workspace, Work Hub, or Connected Workspace. The title helps define the purpose of the dashboard and makes it feel more intentional. You can also add an icon or cover if you want, but that part is totally optional. Now it's time to create your Tasks page. Inside the dashboard, use the / command and type /page to create a new page. Name this page Tasks. This is where you'll manage your to-do items, daily actions, or anything you need to get done. You can later turn this into a database, add properties, or keep it simple, depending on your workflow. Once your Tasks page is created, go back to the main dashboard. This step is important because the dashboard is where everything connects. You don't want your pages floating around separately without a central place tying them together. From the dashboard, create another page and name it Notes. This page will store meeting notes, ideas, documentation, or anything you want to write down and reference later. Again, you can create this using the /page command. Keeping notes separate from tasks helps reduce clutter and keeps your workspace clean. Next, create one more page from the dashboard and call it Projects. This page is perfect for organizing bigger goals, long-term work, or client projects. Each project can later link back to tasks and notes, making everything feel connected instead of scattered. After creating tasks, notes, and projects, click back on the dashboard page. At this point, you should see all your main pages linked directly inside the dashboard. This means everything is now connected through one central hub, making navigation fast and simple. From here, you can click on any of these pages, like Notes, to instantly switch to that section. The key benefit of this setup is that no matter where you are in Notion, you always know how to get back to your dashboard and access everything else. And that's it. You've successfully built a connected workspace where all your pages are organized and linked through a single dashboard. This structure makes your workflow smoother, saves time, and helps you stay focused. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.